We are going to show you a very great magic trick. Enjoy.
Wait lang. Oh, we have a special guest, Onat, and Onat the magician. Yeah, look how pretty he is. Okay, and we have his assistant, Mako. Yeah.
Part of BMJ.
Part of BMJ, yeah. Okay, stop no speaking. Okay. Okay, let's now proceed to the magic trick. Onat, shall we? Very...
Kanya po, ang lapis nito.
Nakikita ko. Ang napakahaba.
Mahaba. Ayaw, ano dyan sila?
Si Onat po ay hinimatay at naging assistant na lang. Okay, ibigay mo kay Mako ang kahoy na matulis.
Yeah.
Yan. Go.
Tingnan niyo po itong lapis ito.
Nakikita namin.
Napakahaba.
Napakahaba talaga.
Nakakahaba.
Kakaba.
Number 2.
Wonggo.
Lalagay ko to. Please say the magic word. Oh,
Say the
Sorry po, ay biglang naputulan ng cable. Okay, continue the magic. Continue the magic.
Lalagay ko to.
Mm.
Say the magic word.
Halut ako.
Say the magic word.
Ang galing. Napakagaling ng iyong magic.
Oh, yeah.
Wait lang, congrats. Congrats. Yeah. Nice one. Nice job.
Magiging
Oh.
mahaba na stick to ulit.
Sige lang.
Say the magic word.
Okay, maingay.
Ang haba.